Let's make a paper boat. Take a sheet of paper which is rectangular in shape. It should be a rectangle, not a square. Fold it into two. Fold the sheet into two. Then, right in the center, make one triangle. Then, from the other corner, make another triangle. Join them together. Then fold this flap upwards. Then turn it and take the flap upwards again. Then you see it's like a triangle. Open out this triangle, open it out and open it out and press it down. See, you get a square. You get a square, a nice square. Press it down, then make another triangle upwards, press it down, then the other side, okay, make another triangle. See, you get another triangle now. Now, open it out the same way as before. Now you get a square. See, this is a square. Now your boat is ready to sail. Now the boat is ready to sail.